how to invite friends in Worldcoin app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends in the Worldcoin application. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply head over, click on the Worldcoin application, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. And once you sign up or sign in, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you're going to click on home here at the bottom left, and then you're going to click on mini apps. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a search bar here at the bottom right. Click on it and then go to the search bar and type in invite. So this is basically a mini app within the application. So by invite, you can invite friends and get rewards. So head over, click on get, and then you can simply select all of your contacts within this application and you can send them invite. So you can send the invite using WhatsApp or the simple messages of your phone. And once you send the invite and when they sign up using your invite link, you will receive rewards for that. So that is basically how you can invite friends in the Worldcoin application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.